automating workloads with VMware Aria Automation. In today's cloud-driven world, businesses require agile, scalable, and efficient IT operations to manage workloads across private, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments. VMware Aria Automation, formerly known as vRealize Automation, is a powerful infrastructure automation and self-service provisioning platform that enables organizations to streamline IT operations, reduce manual workload provisioning, and enforce governance across cloud environments. By leveraging infrastructure as code, IAC, policy-based automation, and AI-driven workload optimization, VMware Aria Automation helps businesses achieve faster application deployments, improved cost efficiency, and greater security compliance. At its core, VMware Aria Automation provides a unified automation framework that integrates with VMware vSphere, VMware Cloud, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and Kubernetes. This allows IT teams to automate infrastructure provisioning, enforce security policies, and manage workloads across multiple cloud platforms without manual intervention. Organizations can define blueprints for virtual machines, VMs, containers, and cloud services, allowing developers and IT teams to deploy workloads on demand while ensuring compliance with enterprise policies and cost controls. One of the key features of VMware Aria Automation is its self-service cloud portal, which allows users to request and deploy pre-configured workloads with minimal input. IT administrators can define approval workflows, role-based access controls, RBAC, and cost quotas to ensure that users only provision resources according to predefined policies. This reduces IT bottlenecks, accelerates application delivery, and improves resource utilization. Additionally, VMware Aria Automation supports infrastructure as code, IAC, and GitOps workflows, allowing teams to manage configuration files and automation scripts using tools like Terraform, Ansible, and Kubernetes YAML files. To automate workload scaling and optimization, VMware Aria Automation integrates with VMware Aria Operations to provide real-time performance monitoring, AI-driven insights, and predictive workload placement. This ensures that applications receive the necessary compute, storage, and network resources without overspending or underutilizing infrastructure. Through machine learning-based anomaly detection, VMware Aria Automation can proactively adjust resource allocations, enforce cost-saving measures, and optimize cloud spending. Another crucial capability of VMware Aria Automation is its policy-based governance and security enforcement. Organizations can define security baselines, compliance rules, and audit trails to ensure that workloads meet industry regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. Additionally, VMware Aria Guardrails provides automated policy enforcement across multi-cloud environments, ensuring that all workloads adhere to security and operational best practices. VMware Aria Automation is also a key enabler of DevOps and CI/CD workflows, providing integration with Jenkins, GitHub, GitLab, and Kubernetes environments. DevOps teams can automate code deployments, test environments, and containerized workloads, ensuring continuous integration and continuous delivery CI/CD without manual intervention. This helps businesses accelerate software development cycles and improve operational efficiency. For hybrid and multi-cloud environments, VMware Aria Automation simplifies workload migration between on-premises data centers and cloud platforms. Organizations can automate VM and container deployments across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, ensuring consistent performance, security, and cost governance. The platform's multi-cloud abstraction layer allows IT teams to define a single automation policy that applies across different cloud providers, reducing complexity and enhancing operational consistency. In summary, VMware Aria Automation transforms manual, time-consuming IT operations into an automated, policy-driven framework that accelerates workload provisioning, optimizes resource utilization, and enhances security. By leveraging self-service portals, infrastructure as code, AI-driven analytics, and multi-cloud automation, organizations can improve agility, reduce operational costs, and ensure compliance across cloud environments. In the next lesson, we will explore step-by-step best practices for implementing VMware Aria Automation in enterprise environments. Let's continue.